I think we are passing through Pacific Ocean. Waves are pretty strong. Stopping on the coast of Agostini Port. It's gonna be a 3-mile walk along the beach.
Right now here, what I have prepared for you is a little explanation about this place where we are right now, which is the intertidal zone. The intertidal zone, as you might already know, is the whole area between the highest tide and the lowest tide. And that means it's an area that sometimes, since the tides go changing every 6 hours, it's going to be completely flooded by seawater, and sometimes it's going to fall almost completely dry and exposed. Okay? And so
closest Aguila Glacier, and we are at Agostini Floyd.
Was completely matriarchal. Okay, so women rule, so women manage everything. But unfortunately, one day a man listened in the hymn that women were laughing against men.
Yeah, it's bluer than another glacier.
Yes.
So now, my dear team, if you want, do you want pictures, right?
Yes, please.
Yes, endemic from Patagonia. Our special otter.
What are they gonna eat?
Fish,
Oh, fish.
mussels.
I don't mind to be an author living here.
There's another one.
where?
Coming up.
Oh yeah, right there.
On the shore. Oh yeah. Yeah, the shore up there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at the whole family.
But there are no characters here. So
Not really.
Yeah, he's coming out.
yeah, the one coming out.
Out of where?
He's on the left, behind the rock.
Oh, right there. It's moving.
Right there, on the rock. Right between the two rocks, the big rock.
See, Sondo.
Oh yeah.
11 o'clock, right?
Yeah,
under the
yeah,
rock.
yeah,
You
yeah.
see it, right?
Like playing peekaboo. Oh, there's one there. What is that? That is a big one. That is a big one.
It's a big one,
I
yes.
think there's like 3 or 4 at least.
Oh, way back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, big one. This is cormorant. Imperial cormorant. Look like penguin, but they can fly.
Dear guests, we inform you that our captain has decided to navigate further into the Agostini Fjord.